Okay, in the previous video we talked about the type of steaming, and I talked about shots. I want to talk about type of coffee. Types of coffee also matters when it comes to the steaming and when it comes to doing latte art. To you, I always tell you, you should have to find out which type of coffee I'm going to do with. There are lots of roasters around the world roasting coffee. In this kind of a video, we choose to do the dark roast. Why do we choose to use a dark roast? Because we believe dark roast is going to give you the perfect type of the latte art. And I want to talk about the origin you're using Kenya, but most of the cafes are using Brazil, right? So it's always good for you to know what type of coffee, because in the cafe, some customers are going to be asking you what type of coffee are you using. At Jex, we all give you all that, in that we brief you through of what's going to happen. As I'm saying that, I'm going to be doing another type of latte art. I believe you're on the board with me if you're a coffee sensational. I'm going to be steaming a latte this time around, unlike the previous video. And this time I choose to use this pitcher. Why do I choose to use this pitcher? Because I believe it has got a right road for me. It's going to be giving me right access to do nice patterns. Alright? I want you to look at tulip as a guitar. The guitar strings, if they're not in the right order, they will give you a problem. So I'm using this picture because I believe I'm going to be getting the right patterns for this design. So I always recommend every barista, junior, senior, and ahead to know what type of picture are you going to be utilizing when it comes to any latte art. For the hearts, you can go for the round ones like this one, and for a tulip, you can go for this one. So I'll be steaming a latte. And to talk about latte steaming is a type of steaming which is a mixture of double shot of espresso with a thinner layer of foam. I'm ahead at a steam word, and I'm targeting the right temperatures. I believe I've got one, and I'm ready to close my steam word. As I always say, in F&B, hygiene is very important. I will always ask you to clean your steam wort before and after use. Try to purge it and make sure that you get the right hygiene. As you can see, I've got a smooth texture and I've got a right creamer. Try to mix, but this time around try to tilt your cup. Why do you tilt your cup? In order to get the right mixture. Try to shake around, alright? Push inside. Very good. Try to move again as you're tilting your cup. Alright, one more. Up. We go through. So I've done what we call a shaking tulip. Balance your cup and make sure that everything has got a right, perfect cup. Make sure that your latte art is balanced in the cup, in that you be seeing coffee around and the patterns are being designed. Or is your first pour, try to shake a little bit, or whisk the picture, in that you can get the right patterns. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.